In this video, I will show how to run a SafeStake operator. So first go to our document page, and then I will follow the docs step by step and to run an operator. So the first part is the server requirement. So you need to have a public set IP and the hardware, the OS and software to install. And then I will show how to run the standalone mode operator. So I will install guest, lighthouse, and also the operator. And here you need to set the firewall rules. So a lot of rules you need to set. And then you need to log into the machine and also install the Docker and Docker Compose. And also you can enable Docker that makes sure if the process stops, then it will auto stop when you start the machine. Okay, now I will go to the server and show to you. So first, you need to create the local folder for Docker. So I will just copy this and paste here. So I create the folders. Now I will generate the JWT secrets. Also copy it. And then I will clone our repo. Okay, because I already have the folder, so I will actually remove it first. And then clone it again. So I'll go to the next step. So next step, I will go to this folder and also start guest and also start lighthouse. So first, I go to the folder and also copy the env file. And then I will start guest. Okay, and then I will start lighthouse. Okay, so actually, when we start this guest and lighthouse, it needs to sync data, so it will take quite a long time to sync data. So only if the both guest and the lighthouse are data are synced, then you can proceed the next step to run the operator. But now, because I just want to show to you, so actually I will just proceed. So for example, you can see what kind of log that generated by lighthouse. So you can see actually it is doing a lot of tasks. So it is waiting the execution endpoint. So here is guest to sync. So I will just stop the log. And then, for example, you need to check if it is synced to use this API. So because currently I just started, so maybe you need to wait some time to let it sync. But so only you see the, for example, synced in the output, then you can run the operator. Yeah. So here I need to edit the environment file. Yeah. So I need to open this file. And then you can see we already set some variables for you. So actually we can just go to what we need to set. So actually we need to leave this unchanged, and then we need to first set the WSURL and the beacon node endpoint. So the WSURL is something the execution layer, the client that run. So it by default for gas Nevermind and Bisu, it is open in the port 8546. Yeah. So because we are running gas, so I just need to specify it. So here we need to first edit the WSURL. Because it is our localhost gas client, so it is the and port and next is a beacon node endpoint. So this is our lighthouse, also the localhost. Okay, we are done. So we just save this file. Okay, let's go back to the doc. Now we already finished this. So next is to generate the public and private key for operator. So copy this command. And run it. So you can see the output here, it generates the not public key. So we need to use this later. And also another way is you can go to this folder, operator, Holesky. Yeah, you can see there's a file here. Then you can just show you. Yep. So you can see this is the public key and this is the secret key, and then you need to back up this file. Yeah. So now I will need to go to the next step, and now we need to go to our website and also just join as operator. Yeah. So I go to this our website and click join as operator. So I need to click register operator. So here is my address, and also I will show this is the display name, so what will show in the Explorer. And here is the public key. I need to copy this public key and then copy here and next. Sorry, because I should use another address because I already used this address to register bad data. So I will do it again. So I change the address. So go to it again. So here, if you want to be a verified operator, I'll choose yes. Then maybe I will, for example, import my Discord ID, and also I will just import a fake email. But you need to import your own email. So this email will, for example, to notify you, and also do some verification for your operator. Yeah. So I do click register. So we can go back to our document. So here we are actually following the steps here. Yeah. So this is the transaction. So go back. Okay, I already create our my operator, so I will see the operator because I need to get the ID of my operator. So I need to see this ID is actually 8. So yeah, so next step is to put this ID in the .env file. So I go back to my command line and add it to the env file. And here you need to write your ID. So it is 8. Okay. Save the file. Okay. Now we can start our operator. Okay, our operator is started, so we can see to see log, for example, if it is actually running. So it looks good. Connect to beacon node. Error following beacon node. Request failed. Yeah, because our node is still syncing, so actually it's quite normal. So make sure you need to first sync the lighthouse and then you started the operator. Otherwise, you will see error here. So I think we already done the setup for the whole process to run the operator. So some notice first you need to back up this file, the node key file, and also if you want to migrate to another machine, then you make sure you need to back up this folder. And also if you have some trouble, if you meet some issue, then you can see if this issue is something can help you. Yeah, these common issues, troubleshooting. So here's the whole video. Yeah, thank you.